Hello listeners, today we are going to discuss about new representative set. Okay, there are two methods for representing your set. One is listing method, that is also called as roster method. Second one is your rule method. Rule method is also called as set builder method. Set builder method. How to first we will discuss about listing method. Okay, what is the how to represent your listing methods? Whatever you are writing a sets, you are giving the list of elements in a set. Okay, list of elements in a set. What is the syntax for writing your listing method is you should write set name. Okay, set name equal to, okay, it must be equal to, and you should use curly braces, opening and closing curly braces. In this you have to write elements. You have to write elements. So how to write? What is the syntax for writing your roster method is you should write set name is equal to, all the element must be enclosed in your curly braces. Just take one example. A set of all the letters in word mathematics. Okay, so you have to write. What is the syntax? I already said this is your syntax. Okay, this is your syntax for writing the set in roster method. What I said, set name. You can write any set name, A, B or C is equal to, you have to list all the elements in your curly braces. What are the elements? What you are saying? A set of all the letters. What are the letters? Mathematics. M, A, T, H, E, M, A, T, I, C, S. Okay, this is called elements. Okay, this is called elements. Okay, it must be enclosed in your curly braces. This is called braces, curly braces. Okay, this is your set name. Set name can be your any alphabet. Set name can be your any alphabet, and all the element must be separated by commas. All the elements must be separated by comma. And one more thing you should remember, whenever you are using roster method for representing a set, all the letters must be unique, no repetition must be there. One mistake is there here, T, T, M, M, A is repeated. So whenever you are using roster method, when you are listing all the elements must be unique, no repetition must be there. In a set, element do not repeat. You should not repeat elements. So what letters you are repeating? M. Okay, you are repeating A, you are repeating T. So MATHEICES, this will be the correct form. All the letters must not be repeated. It must be unique. Okay, let's discuss some more example of your roster method. A set of all the days in a week. Okay, week. How many days in a week? 7 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. It is well defined and distinct. Let's take a set of colors in a rainbow. How many colors you will see? Okay, write the name of a set. You can write any alphabet, and all the elements must be enclosed in your curly braces. No letters, no alphabets must be repeated. So VIBGR, what you will say? VIBGR, violet, indigo, brown, green, yellow, orange and red. It is well defined and distinct. You can write set of natural number. Natural number start with 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay, what is your odd number? 1, 3, 5, so on. This is your odd number. What is your prime number? Prime number. Okay, you can write any set name. Set of prime number. Prime number which is divisible by 1 and itself. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, so on. This is some of the example of your roster method. Okay, let's do one problem related to your roster method. B is the set of all months. B is nothing but your set name. All months in a year having 30 days. Okay, we have to write all the months that contains only 30 days. Write the above set in your roster form. Roster form is nothing but your universal form. So what is your answer? B. B is your set name. Okay, equal to, in which month you will get 30 days? April, May, June, September and November. Okay, this will be the answer for writing in roster form. Okay, our next is your rule method or set builder method. Just take an example. A set of whole number between 0 to 10,000. 0 to 10,000 using listing method. Listing method means you have to list each and every items in your set. Means 0 to 10,000 means your list will be very much longer. So it is not practical. It is not practical. For that reason, rule method came into existence. We are using rule method or set builder method. Instead of using listing method, instead of writing all the elements in the set, what you are doing? You are building a particular set. You are not listing all the elements. You are just building a particular set using username. How you will? What is the syntax for writing set builder name? So A equal to just curly braces. What is the syntax of writing set? Compulsory set name must be there, equal to, and all the element must be enclosed in your curly braces. So you are building a method, means x such that x belongs to W, okay, where 0 is less than x is less than 10,000. Okay, x is less than 10,000. Close your curly braces. What is your A? A is the name of set. Name of set. Okay. X, what is this symbol? Such that. Such that. What is this symbol? E. This is belongs to. Belongs to. What you are saying? X value must be 0 to 10,000. Any value it must be there. X such that x belongs to W. What is your W? W is a whole number. Whole number begins from 0. Okay, what you are saying? 0 is less than x means 0, it must list the range. Means x must be 1, 2, 3 up to 10,000. Up to 10,000. What is the symbol means? Between 0 to 10,000, all the elements will be included. You can write x such that x, instead of that you can write colon. X colon x. Okay, there are two methods. Either you can write colon or this symbol slash. Okay, this is your rule method. Okay, you will use belongs to. If suppose any x, if you are describing x equal to 11,000, 11,000 is 11,000 is here? Not. So you can use this symbol. Does not belongs to. Okay, does not belongs to. These two things you should keep in mind. You should keep in mind. Belongs, it belongs to. If any element is not belonging to any set, you can use this symbol. Let's do one problem related to your set builder method. Write the set builder form of A equal to 1, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 9, 1 upon 16, 1 upon 25. In all my videos, I am explaining you the important questions that will help you that will mostly comes in your final exam. Okay, let's do. What is A? Okay, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 9, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 25. 1 upon 1, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 9, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 25 are in the form of, what is in the form of? Form of 1 upon p square, whereas p is less than 6. Observe it, p square, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. Okay, it is less than 5. Okay, 1 to 5. You are squaring, you will get this. So you have to write in set builder form. So A equal to x such that x equal to 1 upon p square, where p belongs to natural number because it is starting from 1. So we are giving natural number, and what you have writing condition that p is less than 6 up to 5, all the numbers you are squaring. This is your set builder method. If you had any doubt regarding anything, just drop your doubts in the comment box.